peach 2-ingredient cake. Now, I noticed my can of peaches is dented, so I'm gonna make sure they are okay before I use them. Yay. Thankfully, the seal was not broken. Angel food cake mix with water. Get this all stirred up. All right, I have my vintage 9x13 pan here. It's been in my family for 50 years. Put this in the oven and let it bake. There is the peach right out of the oven. Let this cool and then we'll taste test. All right, here is our 2-ingredient peach cake. Oh, yum. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, yum. All right, whipped cream.
Ooh.
Okay.
What flavor is this? Peach. What flavor is this peach dessert?
Oops.
Oh!
Your whipped cream. Your whooped
My
cream.
whipped cream is all whooped. All right. Mmm. Yum, that's really good.
Yay.
Mm-hmm. It's peachy.
Oh, good grief.